This is Ty Dickinson.
And Erica Lopez from the University of Oklahoma Weather Lab with your weekly regional forecast starting on Friday, September 1st, 2017.
Welcome back to the start of the weekly briefings. In this one, we will be discussing several updates ranging from 6 to 10 days to seasonal outlooks and their implications. We will also take a look at the newly updated drought monitor and how it is forecast to change. Thanks for tuning in, and let us dive in.
The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook favors below normal temperatures for the eastern part of the country and above normal temperatures for the western CONUS. These odds are as high as 80% for below normal temperatures and 90% for above normal temperatures. A strong ridge trough pattern is forecast and is the main predictor used in this outlook. The entirety of the skip region is in the below normal probabilities.
The 8 to 14 day outlook is quite similar to the 6 to 10 day outlook, with patterns shifted slightly east in general. Probabilities are not quite as high as in the 6 to 10 day outlook, as the ridge trough pattern is forecast to weaken slightly with time. The skip region for this time frame mostly has odds tilted towards below normal, except for parts of western Texas and Oklahoma, which are forecast for near normal temperatures.
Looking at precipitation now, the 6 to 10 day outlook forecasts much of the U.S. to experience below normal precipitation. An upper air ridge that is forecast inhibits precipitation, causing odds to be tilted as high as 60% for below normal precipitation in the northern and central plains. Odds tilted towards above normal precipitation are present in the southwest and along the eastern seaboard. Monsoonal flow is forecast for the southwest, while a forecast trough is forecast to bring a low pressure system in the Gulf area.
And as we move to 8 to 14 days, the pattern is similar to that of 6 to 10 days, but again shifted slightly east with lower odds. Below normal odds are the highest in the northern plains at 50%, while much of the above normal odds along the east move offshore. The entire skip region has odds tilted towards below normal rainfall, which is a bit of relief after all the rainfall received after Harvey.
The current state of the drought for the United States is probably easy to guess due to Hurricane Harvey, bringing massive amounts of rainfall to Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, among others. There is a small dry region up in the Edwards Plateau and near Brownsville, Texas, as well as some dry areas in Georgia and South Carolina. Current outlooks do not indicate drought development to be likely anywhere, and some drought removal in Kansas.
The outlooks for September were updated yesterday. Temperature-wise, odds are tilted much towards below normal for the eastern part of the CONUS, whereas odds are tilted towards above normal for the western CONUS. Upper air trends over the globe are the major predictor for these probabilities, while soil moisture also plays a role, especially in the southeast and south-central United States.
Taking a look at the precipitation outlook now, odds are tilted towards above normal in the Rockies, below normal for the central and northern plains, and then tilt back to above normal for the entirety of the southeast and New England. The current state of the drought is a factor in below normal forecast for the plains, while ample soil moisture and the southeast provide plenty of moisture, contributing to above normal eastern odds. In addition, the upper air patterns mentioned earlier are also a large factor in these patterns.
The most recent temperature seasonal outlooks have odds tilted towards above normal for the entire CONUS. These probabilities are highest in the southwest, southern Florida, and New England at 50%. A neutral phase of ENSO is predicted for this 3-month period, as well as the next few periods.
The seasonal outlook for precipitation has equal chances for above, below, and near normal precipitation for the majority of the United States. Parts of the southern U.S. have odds tilted towards above normal precipitation. Because this outlook was issued before Hurricane Harvey hit, its influence was a factor. Look for Harvey's impacts to continue to influence rainfall patterns in the next weeks.
Once again, this podcast has been brought to you by the University of Oklahoma Weather Lab, a top academic weather and research program in the United States and partner of the Southern Climate Impacts Planning Program. Watch for your forecast Fridays on the Oklahoma Weather Lab channel on YouTube.